So today I have something I rarely do. It's a ladle. Biggest piece I do. Hard to do. It use huge amount of wood, but I do just a few of these each year. So it's time to do another. I always say I won't do another, but then I do some more. Let's see how this one goes. They're hard to do, but usually when I see the finished result, I'm glad I did it. So something special. Okay, let's start with, as I always say, don't do this cut, it's dangerous. It's only if you know what you're doing. So these videos are not instructional, it's just what I do. What you get out of it is your own thing. So be smart with sharp tools. If you're not, you're going to get hurt. Okay, this piece of wood could be problematic, you know. Now I'm just feeling out the piece, seeing how it's going. You see the grain is going a bit off here, but we'll see. First, I'm just getting the feeling of it. Removing all the rough marks from the axe. I have to watch it here, it has to be thick enough to be strong enough. Okay, a little bit more here, just to shape it. Basic shape here. Okay, looking a little bit better already. So back side of the handle. Clean it up. Looking good. Okay. Now let's see the back side of the bowl. Let's shape it. These take much more time and a lot more strength, both for axing and carving. So okay, shaping up, yeah. I always try to do as much as possible with the axe, because removing a lot of wood with a knife is not fun. And this is of course green wood, so it wouldn't go so easy with dried wood. So see? I want to shape it to be nice. Nice, round. Okay. I'm finishing a lot of spoons for Christmas. These are last batches. So it was really crazy. Last couple of months were crazy. Carving pretty much every day. All day. But I keep switching various tasks, so my hands are not stuck in a repetitive motion with just one thing. So never too many days of just carving or just colorosing. So I switch it between colorosing, carving, axing, and so on. So okay, let's do the handle. This is very dangerous, so you don't have to know what you're doing, so don't do it. I do it because it gives me a bit more power. Don't cut yourself here, you're gonna bleed out. As I say, this is just me working. Whatever you get from this is your thing. Okay, it's looking nice. Yeah, the grain is good here. No problems. Awesome. Thought we might have some problems, but it's all good. It's gonna be a nice one. Okay. So now I'm going to take the large scope and start shaping the ball. It's a huge ball, so a lot to do. You just need to start it. And it's going to be easier. This first part is the hardest, so until you establish some depth. See, it's going nice now. I just need to remove a lot of wood as fast as possible. Whew. It's going to be a workout. It's just too much. Fully decorated everything, so this is working all day long, every day. So this is a life of craft. If you want to support your family with craft and so on, it's a lot of work. have to love what you're doing. Otherwise, it just won't work. Oftentimes I use my legs to hold the piece, so this takes a lot of practice. So don't think you're going to do it properly right away. You're going to cut yourself. So. Can't do many of these. They really wreck the hands. They use up too much wood. I can make so many more. You really can't get the price. You increase the price too much on this, and so. We can start doing some fancier cuts. The initial depth is here. I have to dig out as much wood as possible fast. Also, if you leave it too thick for too long, it's gonna split. So we want to achieve the desired thickness as fast as possible, and then just leave it to dry overnight. It's going to be all good then. So now I have to watch it here. You see here I've gone a bit too much, so I need to tone it down. It's still going to be good, but just have to pay attention. See, it's shaping up. Okay, I'm going to shape it up a bit. Now I'm going to try to remove the rim. Oh, we have a little bit of sun here. Awesome. So now this part here would be harder to remove with the knife, so I'm going to use this. I want a nice curve. See? Has to be nice fluent curve. When you see a nice curve, it's instantly prettier. A lot of people don't pay attention. A lot of carvers do this kind of thing, and the spoon looks ugly. Okay. Green is a bit wobbly here, so this is a problematic part. But it's going fine. So. Watch it more now as I'm getting closer. Feel the spoon. And I still want to be as fast as possible. And this part here needs to go. These big pieces are a bit more challenging. Okay, looking better. See? Keep feeling the piece. Still a bit too thick here. Get it a bit deeper. Yeah, much better. You need to be strong here. Yeah, it's shaping up. I want a nice, elegant handle. What do you think? Okay, so I still have some more thickness here and here, so I'm going to clean it up more, both from outside and inside. This is a big bowl, so it has to be done right. You don't want it to split, crack, or anything. Okay, we're getting closer. Still some excess material here in the bowl. Okay, this is, the thickness here is pretty much what I want it to be. I don't want to go overboard, so. And I love these knife marks when it dries. It looks beautiful. Thousands and thousands of cuts. I do much more wood chips than spoons, so I have wood chips coming out of my ears. So I mostly produce wood chips and a few spoons, so that's how it is. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One ladle done. What do you think? Needs to dry, and then finishing cuts in the morning. Should be good. And here it is finished. It has my cabin and mountain decoration. If you want to see how I decorate, do this particular design, you can see it in one of my other videos. So let's see the ladle. See, the bowl turned out real nice. Smooth, shiny, deep enough. Has some lovely knife marks. See? What do you think? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.